Pink beads. Do you sell the beads container? Yes, the beads container $2.5. You can get a 8 layer. $2.5. You can get a 8 layer. Here is a 4 layer, 8 layer, 2.5. I use it to organize some small accessories. Yeah. 3mm beads. It can be no problem, but it's just will be a little bit. The flower be bigger. No problem to use 3mm. Just the flower will be bigger. Yeah. These, if you want, yeah, a little bit bigger. I use 3mm at the middle. At the middle of the flower. So here we're going to share with you. Yeah. These, if you want the beads container, you can get it. Yeah, from the web shop or in live streaming, both okay. I am use the middle. The middle you can use the different color. Here I continue use this here. Okay. I will make a 4-piece flower, a 3-piece flower for the ring. Again, the 0.4. Okay. Cut it 2 feet. 2 feet is enough. 2 feet enough. Okay, then let's go. Use this wire here. Then first to wrap 2 times and tight it here. And again 2 tight. 2. So 2 times wrapper and 2 wire. 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 for this pattern wrapper way. What size is the wrapper wire? Wrapper wire is 0.4. This one, and 1mm is the middle thick one. Here. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. One, two, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 and 1 and 2. Here. 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 this one. One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, and wrap here. Yeah, so easy, right? Go so one beads. Tight. The tights. One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. Here. And the beads. Here. We'll put the purple. Here. One, two, two, two. Here, 3 flower in the back like this. Mary Lucia need a total. Yeah. You learn new design. Yeah, you can take a screenshot if you are interested to try, because the design I show in live streaming, and maybe after several months later, or maybe next year we'll show it. Not going to repeat show one design. So if you love this design, you can take a screenshot. For next time you want to try, you can have a picture to have a look. Not every design updated in the tutorial page. Some is updated in tutorial page, and but it's a long time ago. It's a little bit harder to find. Yeah, you can try it anytime. Here. We need it to make 2 centimeter. One, two, one, two. Here. And This design can use for ring, earring, and bracelet. Yeah, can be make it to many different way. So when people in my live streaming learn the DIY, not only just an idea, you can get the technique learned and use this technique in the different jewelry, in earring or in the ring, or you make it on bracelet, both okay. How many beads? This is the small one, is the seed beads. Actually, the seed beads, you don't care about how many pieces, just around the beads is okay. The middle you can use 4mm. Here I use is the 3mm. You can use the 4mm. So don't care about it because the seed beads is not so much expensive. Bracelet watch. Yes. Here. Here. This one. Fold a loop. Okay. The gold price is, I write down. Yeah. If you want the same size, I use. Yeah. Mary Lucia, which gift that you want? For example, if you love the earring or the ring, you can get as a set. Yeah. Or if you have some other gift, you can let me know. Embraced the gold color here, the price, and the black price is 0.9. Oh, yeah. Silver color is here. The price here. Yeah, the set. So you want one pair earring and a piece of the ring. You can tell me your ring size. I can check if this one meet for your size. And this earring, another piece I will make for you. Yeah. Tell me your ring size, then you will get a set. Oh, size 6. Size 6, don't worry, I will make for you after my life. This one should be big one. Okay. It's maybe going to be a size 9. Okay. 刚刚那个耳环 Oh, okay. I pack for you the earring. This earring I make is the big one. So this is the earring and the ring here for this cute. Yeah, for this cute. Okay, so type 0, Mary Lucia. Size 6. I printing for you. You don't need to type.